What's the matter? What's the matter? Do you want to go out? You go out?
Not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn.
What did you just say?
Kermit. I'm ready for bed.
Can you say hi? Are you cute? Are you? Yeah, you are. Is Kai pretty? Very pretty, yeah. Are you a sweet boy? Oh.
The complete adorable confession combo is irresistible.
No! No!
Callie! She said what? She said what?
Are you stuck? Hi. Hey.
Did you fart?
No, that was Kenzie.
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in, shit in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Hi. Are you Mama's baby girl? You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty.
Coco, where are you?
That's on me. That's on me. อ้าวมานั่งแอะแอะแอะอีกแล้ว นั่นน่ะข้าวเหลือนั่นน่ะกินได้หมด
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. Like right now.
Can you hold on? No. Can you hold on? No. You're adopted.
I love you.
Yes? Mama catnip.
How did you even get up there?
Hey, do you want to play? Oh, can you hit the button?
2.6 millimeters.
Can you hit the, button. Can you hit button?
Nearly 1/3 of the
Button. Do you like my hair? I went to the salon. Woohoo, thanks. Do you like the highlights?
Seems the Lord isn't too fond of the highlights.
You hungry?
A conversation just like with a human, answering every question from the human fluently. So determined to get food.
Give her a kiss, Kara.
You're crazy.
Sounds like barking, right? They can mimic that for hunting.
Put her down.
Good boy. Other paw. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Other paw, high five.
I guess hungry?
So, I've never told you my name. And my name is Shiva. Did you know that? Wow.
What?
The answer to every question is, wow.
Say meow.
Arrête!
Oh, petit cœur.
Thank you. Can you say it? Thank you.
You're not getting food yet. No. You get it at 1 or 2. It's not even noon yet. No. Kiwi.
I'm trying to get you more. You don't want more? No.
Merv, Mama's washing your underpants.
The cat must be thinking,
Merv, we have to go to Ohio.
what do my underpants have to do with
Merv, we gotta
Ohio? Such an unexpected reaction.
It looks cute that she has just farted.
But unfortunately, it's a really bad time.
Sorry.
One of the key aims of this coalition is to massively reduce.
Who's the most beautiful girl in the room?
You?
Hey, what about me? Don't forget I'm a beauty too.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry? Baby!
Therefore, almost loose.
Hajime. Hajime. Hajime.
I know, buddy, but they're about to close. It would be rude for us to go in like 10 minutes before they close. We just have to come earlier tomorrow.
Dis maman. Maman. Maman.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Chaton, 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 meow, meow. Gatito, gatito, gatito.
She really believes I've reborn my multicultural as a cat.
Si sabes. You like my new haircut? What?
The toughest critic in the universe is here,
What's wrong, honey?
flatly disapproving of the human's new haircut.